Hi guys, good evening. Ayan guys, ito lang yung dinner ko guys. Ayan, tapos na yung recipe natin guys. Thank you for watching. With coffee gawa and sweet bread. Ayan siya guys, sarap niya guys. Promise. Try nyo guys. Try nyo gumawa ng ganito. Malagyan nyo sweet snack. Ayan guys. With coffee Arabic. Lagyan nyo lang chocolate and date. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Good evening. Masha.